What's up guys, this is Robin with MacSources.com, and today I'm very excited to bring you a look at LumaFusion for iOS. LumaFusion is a fully functional, multi-track video editor with tons of features. In this review, I'm going to focus on some of the most basic features that will get you started with editing a video using LumaFusion. Let's take a look. When you first open the app, the last project you were working on will be open. If you want to start a new project, you will tap on this icon up on the top that looks like a menu with a plus sign on it. This is going to open up your project manager. From here, you can see all of the projects that you're working on and have the option to start new projects by tapping on the plus sign in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, in order to show you the main editing functions of LumaFusion and how they work, I've already compiled a short video, so I'm going to go back to this other project that was up at first. And you can see that there are lots of different clips on here already. As I move it back and forth, you can see the video moving in the viewer at the top. There is an audio track in here. I did import that from LumaFusion. And if you go up here to the top left-hand corner, the very first thing you're going to want to do whenever you start editing a video is import some media. So up in the left-hand corner is the sources area. And you can see here you've got photos, iTunes, royalty-free music, imported media, titles, and transitions. Royalty-free music is really pretty cool because it's included with LumaFusion. You can see that there are several different tracks for each one of these categories. And in order to use them, all you have to do is select one and drag it down to your timeline. Now, in order to get video into your timeline, into your project, this is the only thing that I really have a problem with LumaFusion. It's actually the only problem I have with LumaFusion, period, because it's an awesome app. Importing media that isn't in your photo library can be a little bit cumbersome. If you go to the Imported tab, you'll see that there's some imported media in here from Dropbox. And there are the clips that I imported using Dropbox. Now, the other options that you have are Dropbox, Box, Google Drive, and OneDrive. But you'll notice that Cloud Drive is completely absent from this menu. That's a little odd considering it's an iOS app, but given the limitations that we have, you've got those cloud options, and then you've also got photos. And this is pulling directly from your photo library on your iPad. So, what I have here is I have these clips, and whenever you select them up in your browser up here, then it appears in your viewer window over here. You can hit play and just let it play through, or you can actually scroll through the video until you get to the place you want it. What's really cool, some of the basic editing features, and this is something I really suggest you take advantage of, is that you can actually trim your clip from the viewer so that all you're actually dragging into your timeline is the clip you edited. Now, we're going to add a transition in here to go from one to the other. So you have the option to add a voiceover, transition, blank clip, main title, overlay title. I'm going to add a transition. By default, it puts in the crossfade. So we're going to back this up just a little bit. And there you go. Finally, I want to show you exactly how to add a title in. There's a couple different ways to do this. First, you want to select the clip that you want the title to go on top of, and you hit the plus sign and hit overlay title. Your clip will show up here. You can select that and then go to edit, and you can edit your title however you want to. So you can move it around to different spots on the page, change the color, change your line spacing and the orientation of it. You can even change what font you want it to be or style. And then to change your text, you can actually say to your page. And then that's where it's going to show up. Thanks again for watching our look at LumaFusion for iOS. This has been Robin with MacSources.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to get all our latest news and reviews. And also, don't forget to take a look at the full written review that is on MacSources.com. Thanks for watching.